we're going to be how to get the dark glasses. This is the dark glasses. First, you need to equip this. Equip this brightest that I already had. Click on this sniper if you had it, and hit these targets. See this number here. I click there. You need to reach 1,000 so you can get the dark glasses. I'll just skip it. So by the way guys, the game is called Nurse Island. So guys, see, my number is almost 100. I need to get a few more. Now it's 1,000. Now, if your number is 1,000, interact here. And here's the dark glasses, which is 1,000 tickets. I hope you like it. Bye.